And today episode, what we have? GoPro backpack. Is it good? Is it great? Is it fantastic? Let's check it out. It's kind of big, I must say. Big. Oh, come on. Smells nice. GoPro stuff. GoPro. Yeah. It's all kinds of different mounting brackets. Look, this is the mounting bracket for the GoPro. Okay. Yep. Smells brand new. I love it. Yeah, it has those cushions on the back to prevent sweating and yeah. Daytripper Ultimate Backpack. What it says on the box, it's GoPro mount, 15-inch laptop compatible, or 2-liter hydration bladder compartment. Weather resistance, so rain resistance. That's what I like. 15 liters. Dimensions. Check out the dimensions. Camera focus. I don't know. I don't see the camera, so I don't see the viewfinder, so I don't know what I just showed you. Anyway, there's a compartment on the front, which goes all the way. See, for the whole this front size of the backpack. There's another one. Sorry, my English is not that good. Another one here, which will. How can I show you this? Which will give you another compartment in here, and special dingo for your keys. So yeah, whatever. Yeah, transparent. Smells incredibly nice, incredible. GoPro smell. I smell action. Woo! Okay, there's another compartment in here, which goes not all the way to the back. It stops in here. Okay. And of course the main compartment, which goes all the way down. Okay, what else? What else do we have here? Okay, I already no. Did I show you this? No. There's another one here. Yeah, it's here, close to the handle. Yes, that's another one. And in here we have another transparent compartment, which is maybe even two, because there's two small one for maybe for batteries. What do you think? I think for lenses or batteries. Small GoPro lenses, because this compartment is like, I don't know, it's like my finger. And compartment for the GoPros. This is on the Velcro, so you can remove it completely and place it wherever you like. Maybe here, maybe closer. Yeah, it's very nice. I like it. Like this or like this. Where's the GoPro? There's GoPro 9. Okay. How can I show you this? Okay, let's put it in here. Yeah. Very nice. It is very nice. If you have media mode, okay, let's put the media mode in. Okay, media mode is on, and now it's a little bit big, so let's remove one, put it like this, because why not? And then just close it, and yeah, really good. I like it. Batteries. Where's the extra battery? Okay, I have an extra battery. Let's put it here. Yeah. Battery is in. GoPro is in. Just close it. And there you go. Secure. Now let's put it in. This is how this looks like. You know what strikes me first? This backpack is extremely light. And I don't know, is this a good thing or is it a bad thing? Because when you load something, like not a laptop, something, I don't know, food, which could be heavy, is this material good enough for a heavy stuff? Who knows? Let's put it on a scale. Let's see how heavy it is. Comparison to the Shimano backpack. Shimano 1080 grams. So 1 kilogram 80 grams. GoPro, let me put it on 0. 850. It is a noticeable difference. Yeah, it feels very nice, and back feels also, wow, very nice. I like it. It's better than the Shimano. Okay, let's put the camera. Is it easy to put it in? Yeah, very easy. It's straight. Now let's go outside and try to film something with the GoPro. You can see it, it's straight. But the new GoPro has this leveling function, which I think will give us a very nice film. GoPro is on. It's not exactly straight, but the horizontal leveling should fix that. It's wobbling a little bit. It should be, stabilization should fix that. There you have it. This is the footage from the backpack. Is it good? Is it not straightforward? Maybe I will just put it like this, a bit higher. I don't know. Media mode enable, of course. Okay. Conclusion: this backpack is very, very light. It looks very nice, especially with the GoPro sign. Yeah. 5 more stars for the GoPro sign. A lot of compartments, extra 2 for the bottles. And this one is very good for thieves. Imagine you are in a train station or in some public place when there's a lot of people, maybe in the bus, and some thief just like maybe you hear it when in the studio, but in the bus, I don't think so. And like, and your stuff is gone. So I think this compartment needs some kind of lock. Maybe if you lock it like this to those, I don't know. But yeah, it would also be nice if there would be a bottom compartment here for something. Yeah, maybe in the next version. Anyway, what can I say? For 10 stars, I can give them 8.5 or even 9. Why so low? It is quite expensive, I must say. But the price goes with the quality. It's a very nice, very nice quality, and it's very light. I like how light this is. There you have it, folks. GoPro backpack, just for you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.